In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn from Hostinger. If you want a simple, legitimate way to earn by recommending web hosting, Hostinger makes it straightforward with their built-in referral tools. I'll walk you through exactly where to find everything and how to use it effectively, so you understand what you're sharing and how you get credited. First, open your browser and go to Hostinger's main dashboard at hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're on the home screen of your account, you'll see the top navigation bar and your usual controls. This is your starting point. Make sure you're on the main home view so the referral option is easy to spot. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to open the main menu to see all options. Next, look for the Refer and Earn option at the top of the home display and click it. This takes you to Hostinger's referral area, where everything related to sharing and rewards is centralized. Think of it as your command center for earning. You can access your unique referral link, see program highlights, and get a quick overview of how referrals work. If you don't see it right away, try widening your window or checking the main navigation menu. On the referrals page, click Copy Link. That button copies your unique referral URL to your clipboard. This is the link you'll share with your audience, clients, or friends. It includes tracking so that when someone signs up through it, the referral is attributed to you. A helpful tip here: when you share the link, add a short explanation about why you recommend Hostinger highlight speed, support, or value so people understand the benefit. Share responsibly, avoid spam, and always follow platform guidelines if you're posting on social media or forums. Keeping your message clear and honest usually leads to higher quality referrals. Finally, click Refer Web Hosting to view the plans and the commissions associated with them. This section shows which hosting products qualify and what you can expect to earn when someone signs up through your link. Use this information to tailor your recommendations. For example, if a certain plan offers a strong commission and matches the needs of beginners or small businesses, you can focus your messaging around that fit. Take a moment to review any notes about eligibility, payout timing, and conditions so there are no surprises. Understanding the commission details will help you set realistic expectations and communicate value confidently. And that's all you need. Go to the Hostinger home dashboard, open, refer, and earn, copy your unique link, and review Refer Web Hosting to understand the plans and commissions you'll promote. Keep your sharing helpful and transparent, and you'll set yourself up for steady, sustainable earnings.